Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srileka. I make some video contents related to my exploration videos, the places I hang out, and recently I got fall in love in making beaded jewelries related to that content, and even some of those products I try on my skincare products too. And if you want, you can check out in my channel. I hope you all doing good. I'm also fine. Today I'm back again with the handmade easy bracelet collections. These are all the bracelets which were all made by me. So today I'm going to show one by one of my bracelets which were all made by me, and this is a collection of mine. So this is a blue bracelet, blue beaded bracelet with a butterfly as a charm. I loved it, and I have the same design with the purple one, but the charm is missing, so you can use this as a daily wear, which will go with on to go bracelets. I loved it. These two are like amazing. Then we'll move on to the same type beaded bracelet with an chocolate brown color. So this is like something which I loved it. So when you use this will gives you a classy look. So usually people love classy looks, right? And this one is a basic bracelet. Even I have been taken a tutorial of this pink color bracelet. You can check that in my channel. Then this one is a star bracelet. I'm just rushing it up because I don't want to take much time. That's why I'm just rushing with all these bracelets now. And this one is a basic type bracelet with silver one. This one is the most unique bracelet ever I created. Look at this. This one has different colors of beads with different shape and different size. So this one is like something amazing and very new to me. I created it. I loved it. Then let's move on to the next one. This one is yellow color bead bracelet, glass bead bracelet, and this one is an flat type bead bracelet. This one to look good. I loved it. The thing is that I just falling in love for different shapes of beads because I'm just looking forward to that, because I just don't want to stick to the same design and same shape. Usually we have to look for many different shapes. From now I'm just going to show three sets of layered bracelets. So these are all like layering bracelets. You can use them on layering. I love them. Just this is also on trend now. This is like trendy. People love layering bracelets. You can layer your bracelets of your own design. So this is like pearl come red bead bracelet. So this three will go good for you as a layering. So look at this looks great. Even you can use any of the silver charms in it. I used a gold charm for matching up with pearl, that's why. So this one is also on trend. I loved it. Just look at this is very colorful, right? Thank you so much for watching.